Hello students, my name is Krunal Patel. Welcome to Sri Chandra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to Paper 1 Principles and Practice of Accounting under CA Foundation course. This is lecture number 1 for Introduction to Paper 1 Principle and Practice of Accounting. Following topics we are studying under Paper 1 of CA Foundation course. Chapter 1 Theoretical Framework of Accountancy. Chapter 2 Accounting Process. Chapter 3 Bank Reconciliation Statement. Chapter 4 Inventories. Chapter 5 Concept and Accounting of Depreciation. Chapter 6 Accounting for Special Transaction. Chapter 7 Final Accounts of Sole Proprietorship Firm, Partnership Firm, Non-Profit Organization, Company Accounts. Now, Chapter 1 Theoretical Framework is dealt with the following aspect. What is accounting? Concept or principle of accounting. Accounting policies. What is capital or revenue expenditure? Likewise, what is capital and revenue receipts? What is contingent asset and contingent liability? Accounting measurement criteria like accounting estimation, accounting valuation for various situations, accounting standard, concept of accounting standard, and need or objectives of accounting standard. These are the topics which we will deal with the theoretical framework chapter. Then after chapter 2 accounting process, under which we will study following aspect. What is books of account, nature of books of account, content of books of account, etc. What is trial balance, need for preparation of trial balance, and how to prepare trial balance. Then we will study one interesting topic under chapter 2, rectification of error. What effect shall be given to rectify errors or omission in books of account. Then after we will discuss chapter 3 bank reconciliation statement. It is one of the most interesting topic and easy and scoring topic. What is bank reconciliation? Then we will study need of bank reconciliation. Why we prepared bank reconciliation? Then we will discuss how to prepare bank reconciliation statement. Then after one of the most important topic, namely inventories. What is inventory? Inventory is a stock in trade. What constitute or classification under inventories? Like in some of the business, in case of manufacturing concern, inventory may be any of the following form: raw material, packing material, work in progress, finished good, scrap materials. In case of trading concern, finished good is a inventory. Then we will study basis and technique of inventory valuation. We will also study various definition like cost of inventories, NRV, that means net realizable value, then replacement cost, etc. Then after we will study and discuss concept and accounting of depreciation. Under which we will discuss following aspect. What is depreciation? Why depreciation provision has been provided in books of accounts, and methods of depreciation, accounting treatment of depreciation, and accounting treatment in case of change in method of depreciation. Like there are, say for example, company follow SLM method for depreciation. SLM means straight line method. Then after 4 years, 5th years onwards, company decided to follow WDV method for depreciation. WDV method means written down value method. Then in such case, what will be the accounting treatment for change in method of depreciation from straight line method to written down value method? Then after we will study accounting for special transaction. Special transaction means we will not deal with the ordinary business. First, bills of exchange and promissory note. Second, sale of goods on approval and return basis. 3. Consignment. 4. Average due date. And 5. Account current. Now, firstly we will discuss meaning of bills of exchange and promissory note, and then accounting treatment of bills of exchange and promissory notes. For sale of goods on approval or return basis, firstly we will discuss meaning and then accounting treatment. For consignment transaction, we will discuss meaning and features of consignment business. Under consignment business, there are two parties, consignor and consignee. Then we will discuss difference between sale and consignment. Sales means ordinary course of sale and sale under consignment basis. Then we discuss accounting treatment for consignor and consignee, both point of view. Then we discuss one small topic, namely average due date, under which meaning of average due date and calculation of average due date in various situations would have been discussed. Then account current. What is account current and methods of preparing account current we will discuss. Then most important part of paper 1 of CA Foundation course, namely final accounts. Under CA Foundation course, paper 1 deals with following 4 type of assessee final accounts: sole proprietor, partnership firm, non-profit organization, company. Now we discuss exam point of view importance of each and every chapter. We divided whole syllabus of paper 1 of CA Foundation course under 6 sections. Section 1, Section 2, Section 3, Section 4, Section 5, Section 6. Theoretical framework is a section 1, which is a theoretical part of accounting which contains 5 to 10% weightage in examination of paper 1. Then accounting process, bank reconciliation statement, inventories, concept and accounting of depreciation contains 20 to 25% of marks of paper 1. This is considered as a section 2. Then accounting for special transaction like bills of exchange, promissory note, account current, average due date, etc. are contained 15 to 20% of weightage in examination. We are given section 3 for the same. Now another most important section of paper 1 for exam point of view is final accounts of sole proprietor, partnership account, and not for profit organization, which contains 25 to 30 25 to 30% of marks of paper 1, which is called section 4. Then section 5, introduction to company accounts, which contain 10 to 15%, which is also a part of final accounts. So we will discuss these four as a one part under final accounts, like this: final accounts of sole proprietor, final accounts of partnership firm, final accounts of non-profit organization, final accounts of company, which also contain 10 to 15%. So total 35 to 45% of weightage contains only final accounts chapter. Understand? So this is the most relevant portion of syllabus. This is the most important portion. Then lastly, basic of accounting ratio, which contain 10 to 15% of weightage. This is very easy chapter. It is a formula based and conceptual. Once you will go through the concept, then it is easy for you for solving example on accounting ratios. Now this is theoretical aspect of paper 1 and conceptual application requires. So we will study according to this section. We tried lots and lots of example for this aspect, which contain 35 to 45% of your total marks. Also, we will try to scoring out accounting ratio, bank reconciliation, depreciation, and inventory, which also easy and conceptual part of paper 1. Now come to slide of number of chapter we will study under paper 1. We will start it from next lecture onwards. Chapter 1. Then counting process, which is interesting chapter. Also it is covered your concept and fundamental from standard 11 and 12 accounting fundamentals. Then small and scoring topic, namely bank reconciliation statement, we will discuss and conclude. Then inventories. Inventories is the most important part in accountancy. Then we'll discuss small fundamentals on depreciation, along with discuss with the fixed asset of AS 10. Accounting for special transaction. It is a separate fundamental for which we will discuss each and every topic separately, like bills of exchange, promissory note, account current, average due date, etc. Then we will move towards final accounts. Here we will spare more time, as you see it is a most important part of examination. Now we will discuss our study strategy. Firstly, I would teach each and every topic with conceptual clarity and with some live example before you. Then we will discuss same topic from study material of ICAI. Then for the same topic we solve some illustration which are also solved in study material ICAI, but by applying our conceptual and fundamentals. And lastly, we will also solve illustration for which no solution has been provided by ICAI in their study material on same issue, the same topic. So we're doing firstly conceptual and fundamental clarity on particular topic. Then we will read and clarify issue from ICAI study material. Then we will solve ICAI solve illustration by applying our concept and fundamentals knowledge. And then lastly, we will solve practicals for which no solution has been provided by ICAI. So you have much better quality of a topic after concluding 4 phases of a topic. So we will do every topic in 4 phases. Phase 1, conceptual clarity. Phase 2, ICAI study material. Phase 3, illustration of ICAI material. Phase 4, doing example for which no solution has been provided by ICAI. So after going the process of 4 phases for each topic, you will have a command on each and every topic of paper 1, principle and practice of accounting. Friends, it's a really scoring subject. So please be with me and we will rock the subject in score. So friends, we will concluding our introduction lecture. In nutshell, we will discuss each and every topic of paper 1, principle and practice of accounting of CA Foundation course under 4 phase manner. Kindly pay attention while we are doing conceptual clarity phase, that is phase 1. All the 3 phases, that means phase 2, 3 and 4 are solely depends on your attention on phase 1. Okay. We will also discuss some other illustration to better quality and clarity of fundamentals and concept of each and every topics whenever it is necessary. I will also share you a summarized notes purely based on ICAI study material for revising whole subject on day before examination. So you have all clarity and idea about whole subject in short and lesser time. So I will provide summarized note or booklet for paper 1, principle and practice of accounting of CA Foundation course very soon. If you have any doubt, then let me know and contact our center and classes. Okay friends, thank you.